Today's topic we're going to discuss how to find the value of 3 minus root 5 correct to two decimal places. Here you can see root 5. It is basically a surd. A surd is a number that doesn't have a perfect square. So if you want to find the answer will be in a decimal place. Now, the first step that we have to follow is first find the square root of 5. For which we are going to write 5 points. We can insert as many zeros we want to, but we will insert only 4 zeros because you are asked to find the number correct to two decimal places. So we have taken two pairs of zeros basically. Now we're going to start from right and move towards the left and start making pair. The first pair, the second pair, and the third pair. Now once this is done, think of the number whose square is closest to 5, that is 2 square. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 would become 9, which would exceed the number. So we are taking 2 into 2, 4. Subtract, we get 1. With this, the next pair of zeros would move down and this decimal point will shift here. And at the same time, this 2 will get multiplied by 2 and 4. We have to think of a number here with which if we multiply the whole number, then we are going to get a number closest to this number, that is 100. So by trial method we are going to do this. So 40, for example, 2 into 2, it is 84. If we take 43 into 3, it is becoming 129, which is exceeding the number. So we are going to take 42. So 42 into 2, that is 84. Subtract the number, we are going to get 16. Right? Now the next pair moves down. So two zeros come here. And here, the latest number that we have, this 2 will get multiplied by 2. And this 4 would remain the same here. So we are going to write 4 and this 2 into 2 becomes 4. Think of a number in this position with which if we multiply the number as a whole, we're going to get a number close to 1600. Again, trial method. For an example, let's start with 443 into 3. It is 1329. We can go for 444 into 4. 1 double six, the double 76, that is exceeding the number. See, 1600 is exceeding the number. So we have to take the number 443 into 3, that is 1329. So we're going to write here 3 into 3, that comes to 1329. And then we subtract. What comes is not necessary, so I'll leave it here. Now what we had to get is, we have got the number that is 2.23, which means root 5 correct to two decimal places 2.23. So we will write root 5 is equal to 2.23, and we have to find the value of, see, 3 minus root 5. We have to find this value. So 3 minus root 5, where the value of root 5 is 2.23. So subtract the number. See, 3 means 3.00 minus 2.23. Subtract the number. This becomes 7 and this becomes 8 and this is 0. So 0.87 will be the answer.